Another 24 hours of stormy weather. I'm meteorologist Joe Martucci. Looking at our webcam in Ocean City, loads of fog here and low clouds across the area. Yes, we have the lifeguards out, but probably not the best day for them. But all you have to do is go down to the southern end of Cape May County. You see a partly sunny sky, people out on the beach. The flag is flying in the wind here, and a pretty nice afternoon. And temperatures really range from about 70 degrees in Long Beach Island to the low to mid 80s once you got to Cumberland County. Here's a look at our rainfall totals as we go throughout the next 24 hours here. We'll put this loop in motion for you. Notice by the end of the loop, show you what we have going on here. 0.02 in Galloway, 0.02 in Estelle Manor, barely anything in Vineland. The point of the story is these showers and storms are going to be scattered throughout the rest of the nighttime hours and as we go into early on our Thursday morning. And if you do see one, what this model isn't necessarily picking up is any stronger cells that can produce torrential downpours. Not going to be everywhere. Most of you will be fine, but something to keep in mind as we go over the next 24 hours across the area. Again, like I said, doesn't include the local heavy rain. For tonight, temperatures slowly falling through the 70s, barely budging overnight. We'll have rain showers and thunderstorms until about 12 to 2 a.m. and then after that we're drying out. Should be partly cloudy by the time we get into our Thursday here. Low temperature sticky and mild, about 10 degrees above average. Definitely want the air conditioner on here. Then our next system is sitting out in the Midwest as of this evening here, and that's going to move east, and what we have is a risk for severe weather. That's our old low pressure system here. We take a look at the Storm Prediction Center. We're in a level 2 of 5, or a slight risk everywhere in yellow, and that does include all of our coverage area except some parts of Ocean County, but overall a level 2 of 5 risk. And in terms of what could be expected, wind damage and tornadoes are our most threatening risk here. Now, that being said, with a tornado, obviously we don't want to use this word lightly here. It's still a low risk, but better than usual for New Jersey severe weather standard. Doesn't mean there's even going to be one, but a better than average risk for it when you're talking about severe weather days. For today on Thursday, it is summery out there on the mainland, upper 80s, even a couple places I would imagine like Vineland or Folsom or Buda getting to near 90 degrees, upper 80s at the shore here. Storms after 4 o'clock, so most of your day is dry. If you want to go to the beach in the morning, not a bad day to do so here. In fact, here's our water weather for you. Water temperatures about 5 degrees above average across all of the Jersey Shore, getting down to Cape May. Burn time 20 minutes in the sunshine. Surf zone 1 to 2 feet. So low waves. So actually, again, not a bad day to be in the water, at least until those thunderstorms start rolling through later in the day. Mainland 7-day forecast for you. Summer solstice on Friday happening just around 11:30 a.m. 80 degrees. Windy from the northeast, then turning to the northwest. That's good because that's a drying air mass because we get into Saturday and Sunday, and it clears out just in time for us here. We'll flip over to the shore 7-day. You might have noticed those 90s on Monday and Tuesday. Still going to be warm at the beach here. Good amount of humidity in the air and a couple of thunderstorms later in the day. Your typical summertime kind of pop-up storms, and then we're drying out as we go into the middle of next week. Coming up on Friday, we have our On the Road from Greenwich. It's all part of our June Booms, where we're talking all about thunderstorms. And in this case, we're going to meet with one woman who was in the path of the tornado-warned storm in Cumberland County on May 28th. We'll be doing that at 3 p.m. on Pier Road. You can come on by and say hi. And for the latest in South Jersey weather, you can follow me on Facebook or Instagram, Twitter, as well as our website, thepriceofac.com/weather.